UPS came and Ellie Goat got in. You can't go, Ellie. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ellie Goat. Go. No. No. Sorry. All right. Ellie Goat, you bad girl. Go. You can't go with the UPS man. You can't do that. Ellie, you're so bad. Go, 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 go. Do what you were just doing. Walk. Come here. Hey. Hi, Luca. You're looking much better today. You're doing much better today. Come on, let's get you on those feet. Get you walking. Much better today. Much better. Stop letting it give. Walk. Come on, walk. He is doing tons. Look at that. Look at that. Good job, little guy. Tons better today. Oh my goodness, I'm so shocked. Came out this morning to check on him, and I was gonna splint it and work with his leg, but it's like so much better. I mean, it's still giving in a little bit, but it looks like he's strengthening it on his own. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have to splint it. Maybe we'll just work with it for a couple more days, and looks like he's gonna be fine. Awesome. I mean, you can see it's still giving some, but way better than yesterday. I mean, it is not nearly as bad as it was. So that's good news. Yay. Good job, little baby. Sorry guys, it's windy and it's probably getting in my mic. But can y'all see what I'm seeing? Whoa! That's big kicks. So we have confirmed.
More than a kick.
Whoa! Yeah. We are confirming now that our tiny girl is pregnant. And Lucy Cow's pregnant too, because we've been feeling the baby in her belly for a couple weeks now. And we were thinking Tiny was pregnant, but we weren't 100% sure yet. But now we know. There is massive kicking in that belly, and you can see it. She's not as tame as Lucy, so we can't get our hands on her as much to feel her belly like we did Lucy. But you can see it now. You see that, Daddy? Oh goodness. Yeah, it's kicking big time. Whoops. Now you won't be able to see it. Yep. So both of our girls are pregnant. Yay! Let's see if we can make this one move for the camera. Oh, I feel a bump. I feel the foot right there. Let me zoom out. I feel a foot right there. I don't know if it's going to... Tiny's just so small that that big old baby in there, you can see it more. She's further along, I think, than Lucy. Yeah, than Lucy. I feel the foot right there, though. So in cows, the babies lay on their left side. The baby's body is laying on this left side. So on her right side over there is where you can see the kicking and the moving like that. That's why we can see it so well on Tiny's right side, because that baby's laying its body over on the opposite side on her left. Yep, so sure enough, both girls are pregnant. Yay! We're gonna have some calves very soon. We don't know exactly when they were bred, but we do know that it cannot be after May that they calve, because the bull was slaughtered the end of August. So I'm expecting April babies, I think. Might be March, but don't you think? I think they were bred in July when we had that. They had kind of had some weird behavior in July, and I think it was their heat cycle. And so I think they were bred in July. Or at least Lucy was. Tiny might have been before that. I'm not sure. But yay! Pregnancy announcement. We're having calves very soon. And we will bring y'all along for the ride. Cannot wait.
It's going to be a big bus ride for sure.
A big bus ride.
Bumpy.
A bumpy ride.
Like always.
No, we are not going to have problems from these girls. They're going to have these babies naturally without any help. We're going to stay positive about that, because I don't want to pull a calf. We don't want to lose a calf. We don't want to have to pull. We don't want to have to lose them. We want some good, strong, healthy babies that our mamas birth on their own. That's what we're praying for. That's what we're keeping positive about. So, yay! Having babies. More babies on the homestead. So, probably can't hear me because the wind is horrible today, but thanks for stopping by the homestead. Like, share, subscribe, as usual. Take care. God bless.